mother's heart. A mother's heart. A mother's heart is made of gold, a love so pure, a hand to hold. Through every storm, through every pain, she stands beside you in the rain. She hides her tears to make you smile, and walks with you every mile. When life gets hard and hope feels far, a mother reminds you who you are. Her prayers are quiet, soft and deep, the kind that never truly sleep. She asks for nothing in return, yet gives a love the world must learn. From sleepless nights to sacrifice, she paid the deepest, greatest price. Not for fame or worldly gain, but simply so her child could reign. And even when her strength feels weak, she still finds words of hope to speak. That is the power heaven gave, a mother's love so strong and brave. So on this Mother's Day we say, thank you for guiding us each day. For every hug, for every prayer, for always, always being there. Mama, you are the heartbeat of the family, the light inside our darkest days. And no matter how old we grow, we will always need your love.
I remember those late night prayers. The little things that showed you care. No gold, no riches could compare to the love you gave so freely. You wiped my tears when I would cry. Held my hand through every fight. And even when the world turned cold, your heart was always home. Mama, Mama, your love never leaves. It lives inside of me. Through every storm, through every scar, you believe in who we are. And if I never say enough, today I want the world to know. Mama, I thank you for your love. You sacrificed your dreams for us. Worked through pain and countless hours. Still you smiled and gave us hope when life was hanging by a rope. And now I see the strength you had, the silent battles, good and bad. You were our shelter from the rain, our sunshine through the pain. A mother's love is something special. It cannot be bought, it cannot be replaced. And even when times were hard, Mama still found a way. Somehow she always made things better. So if your mother is still here today, hold her close, tell her you love her. Because mothers are gifts from God, and their love stays with us forever. Your love never leaves. Your voice still comforts me. And every step I take today is because you show the way. So on this Mother's Day I say, with tears of joy and gratitude, Mama, we love you.
I remember those late night prayers, the little things that showed you care. No gold, no riches could compare to the love you gave so freely. You wiped my tears when I would cry, held my hand through every fight. And even when the world turned cold, your heart was always home. Mama, your love never leaves. It lives inside of me. Through every storm, through every scar, your dreams for hours, worked through pain and countless hours. Still you smiled and gave us hope when life was hanging by a rope.
And now I see the strength you have.
The silent battles, good and bad.
You were our shelter from the rain,
Our sunshine through the pain. A mother's love is something special.
it's unseen special.
It cannot be bought. It cannot be replaced.
And even when times were hard,
Mama still found a way. Somehow she always made things better.
So if your mother is still here today, hold her close.
Tell her you love her, because mothers are gifts.